Hello? 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 Fixing my audio. All right. I've fixed some things like in OBS, just testing audio and uh, resolution and compression with YouTube. Fuck. Um, so yeah, it should be a bit better, hopefully. Let's see here. We got the laser done, so now it's reload. I should make a reload animation. Yeah. Uh, I don't know how, but it would be great to have these the gray boxes actually match up with my tile size. I don't know how to do it, but it would be great. Uh, Never actually looked into it, so maybe I should. It would help a lot. So this is the main character or the player. Um, so let's see, how many frames do we want? Mm-hmm. All right. First off, just grab colors. I'm just gonna make this is the I'm gonna make this is the start frame, and then this is the middle frame. This first frame is also gonna be the end frame, so I'm just gonna duplicate it for that one. But this is just the furthest. I need to lower my music. Can hear myself talk. All right. So this is gonna be the when he's putting it in his backpack. Uh, so gonna just make a dark spot there. I need darker. So the battery isn't in that in the gun anymore. Then let's see here. Let's see. How would that be? The elbow, which is this, would go out here, right? And then he's like reaching under here. That's what I'm thinking. Or maybe it has. It's not on the backpack. Maybe on his like chest, on his chest rig. I need to look at the actual game art. Yeah, right here. Uh, Here. This is the guy. and I cannot see anything on his chest. But he would have it on this sling probably. But I don't know if he would have it able to be like recharged there. I'm just gonna make it so that yeah, no, he's gonna have it on his chest and he's gonna be able to be recharged. I think that's better because this backpack is not really a. I guess it's a backpack, but yeah, it's. I feel like it's a bad place to have it. There's no way to place a battery here, so I don't know. I would like to add survivor and miner as well, but I don't know. I don't know. Right now, just trail engineer, and I'm probably gonna make another tile set or tile, not palette, because that's the entire thing. Just like the like a walkway, and maybe some special walls for that walkway. And the phone, yeah, the emergency phone. That's either gonna be. I was thinking save point at first, but maybe. I don't know. Maybe you have to go and fix a phone, like repair it, because you are a trail engineer. I presume that you're going around fixing stuff inside this huge ass monster. So a surveyor is more like going around actually drilling stuff, and miner as well. So engineer would just be their kind of just maintenance, which is kind of what I want. So that would be, yeah, or like clearing a path because it's like regrown or like monsters there, so you have to like clear the path for like park rangers or something like that. Uh, or maybe that's the technician's job, but I feel like what the fuck does the trail engineer do? Open new paths for trail development. Yeah, opens new paths for awesome monetize for hiking routes. Yeah, that's what an engineer does. So what's a technician? All the infrastructure within the mystery is critical to maintenance. All right. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make the trade engineer and technician kind of the same thing. Like the engineer is gonna do what the technician does. I kinda just gonna put those together. Because otherwise it's like, oh, I have a trail engineer and then have like an NPC be a technician, and who the fuck likes NPCs? So it's just gonna be trail engineer. Maybe for some heavier stuff, you spawn in as a surveyor instead, or a miner. I don't know. I just like this guy most actually. He's kind of badass. This guy is kind of. I mean, he has to go around in a suit and like do shit, kind of pussy. But like this guy, he just does it. Doesn't need no armor. Uh, and this guy can't even have a weapon. It's just melee, which I don't really like. I don't like programming it, and I don't like playing it. Like I haven't done much melee, but it's so hard to make it satisfying yet like weighty. Like most like games that do melee do like ninja or something like that to make it like satisfying and like fast. And this game is not gonna be that. uh, so it's just, I don't know if I'm gonna add it. I would like to add like a, just thinking off the top of my head, like a grenade launcher. This would be kind of cool. And it would be kind of like a, yeah, they could plausibly have that to blow up shit in the, like, to not to deal with enemies in the universe, but to deal with like tissue and stuff like that just blocking their path. Like, fuck it, just blow it up. uh I feel like that's a very 70s thing to do. Just blow a hole in it like that. Maybe. uh Maybe just some other weaker gun, but I don't know. It's kind of boring that they added the laser weapon as like the do all uh, of the universe, because in games you want like 10 different weapons that are very different and serve a different purpose. And when they're all like combined into one, it's kind of boring. You're playing around with the same weapon over and over and over again. So I'm having a hard time adding something else. Maybe melee. I was thinking melee, but it, you have to do like, I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. Um. Anyway, getting sidetracked here. Uh. Um. He's like reaching down here for another mag. See here. Then. Yeah, because he's reaching down to his chest, so above it would be kind of like that. I'm not the best at making pixel art or any kind of art. Uh, but yeah. Maybe instead of just having the gun be there, you would kind of move the gun to your right when you're like reaching down to get stuff off your chest, because we wouldn't have that at the same place. So I think we're gonna move the gun one step forward and one step to the right, I think. So it's like he's getting another mag. Maybe even changing the head to like indicate that he's like looking down, get another mag. But maybe not, because I don't know how to shade the head. It's like he's got a glass helmet. And I've done the top. I know that it's supposed to be like caved out right here. Maybe I should do that. But nah, this is good. It's fine. Oh. It's fine. So yeah, I think, yeah, this is the other frame. So it's gonna be this. This is just one frame. Like that, kinda. Yeah, it does look like he's like reaching down. Yeah, no, that's good. I'm just gonna make some in between frames. This one. So we need one where he's actually grabbing it. But I need to Google the actual gun. Right, this is the gun. Very nice render. So I don't know how. Oh no, it's like a power drill. Yeah, it's like a you press this black thing up, and that unlocks it, and then you can pull it out from the side. I think, yeah. So you pull it to your left when you're holding it. That's cool. I like that. But what I don't really understand is, okay, this is actually supposed to go over your shoulder, not into your shoulder. That gotta be so uncomfortable. Like, oh no, no, I'm not gonna make like that. Sorry, but no, that's stupid. That's not even a. That's like treating it like a bazooka or something, like an RPG. Like, no, no. But all right, now I know that it's not like him grabbing the top of it. It's just grabbing to the side and pulling. So, uh, it is. This looks bad. Uh, I'm trying to make the this pad right here, and then this is the is a sling. So this is that sling. But I thought, yeah, and then he has it's annoying. Uh, these straps as well for its little box. So, oh, wait, you got black gloves. Okay, then this. Okay, good. I'm just gonna make it like that then. Is that? It's kind of ugly. Yeah. It's not good. It is not good. Uh, maybe I should look. How does it look here? No, I need some shoulder movement. Oh my god. Jesus, that is horrifying. Uh, okay. But I think I'm gonna make this entire thing move. Oh. Yeah, I think that's better actually. Maybe I should move the backpack as well. When that moves, the entire backpack moves. Maybe. No, I don't know. I can change it back if I actually want it. So I'm gonna make one more frame, I think, where the battery is like here. I'm gonna move back the shoulder. Uh, all right. Now I need to back. What is happening? Okay. Yeah, and that's better. And oh, his hand's just shrinking. uh, I don't know. This is going poorly. Uh, this. I think I'm gonna make it like that because it's holding it like sideways in my mind. I'm gonna, yeah, how? Yeah, no, you actually want more of the yellow so you actually see the animation and see that you're actually picking up the battery and then putting it in your vest. I think that's cooler. Then I'm just gonna like your arms just disappearing. This is not good. Uh, ooh, I don't know. Mm, I'm gonna move back. Just turn it down. Otherwise, there's such a gap in like between frames. So you can see like a little bit of movement and then just a lot of movement. I want it to be smoother. Uh, so that's good. I mean, I really think that that's that is very good. Totally forgot I said I was gonna move the gun when I was like grabbing it. So it's like these two frames. Uh, I'm just moving forward and right. Or maybe No. There we go. All right. And then we can honestly remove this one and just have it at the end, because the player is always gonna, or it's gonna look like this. So when the animation starts playing, it's gonna switch the sprite to this. Otherwise, there's gonna be a frame of just the same sprite being shown to the player. So that's just useless. So then from this, we're just gonna duplicate that and duplicate that, put them right there, and then we should have a looping animation. Right. Yeah. But there's very little time for it to actually show when it's done, so I'm just gonna add a few animations there. Yeah, that looks good. I just realized I didn't move the gun forward 1 pixel, but that still looks good. I think that's great. Need to add some shading on it though. But the animation is pretty much done. Let's see here. Delete. Let's delete. And which frames are just copies? This one and this one. So just add those later. I have to trade the same thing. And there's also an even darker color I haven't really used on the arms, which I should really use. Like, just forgot about it. Right? Add like more. Even if I'm fucking up the shading on this, like the right here, like here, the right side, it hasn't changed. Like the pixels are still in the same thing or the same place, but if I change the color of them, it's gonna seem like it's, or change the shading, it's gonna look more like this suit that is like it like shriveled up or like folding on itself, or I don't know. Uh, I don't know clothing terms. uh, so yeah, I think even if it's gonna fuck up the shading a bit, but I think it's good. And that's based on my very biased opinion. I do not know what I'm doing, uh, but I think it looks good. Maybe. Uh, This, I don't think I have to. Yeah, no. Oh yeah, this. Uh, all right. Oh, yeah. I'm wondering if I even need the last frame. I don't think I need it. Because when this is over, like the animation is over, or no, is it gonna change? Yeah, no, I'm gonna place it there because I don't know if I stop the animation here, it might just end on that animation or that sprite. So I don't think it will switch back to this one. Yeah. So I need to end on that frame. And it's not gonna be noticeable. So I'm wondering also how fast I'm gonna make the animation play. Because this is 5 frames a second. So it's gonna take, I think I have 6 frames, a bit more than. Yeah, no, I think I have too much shading there actually. Ooh, I think right here. I think that's too much. But I'm also looking at a huge image of it. Like, I think maybe too much is better because then the player can actually notice it because it's so small. So yeah, no, I might, yeah, no, that's good. Uh, export it. Great. Anything else I need to animate right now? Oh yeah, battery life. Now, should I make a slider or a just a percentage? I kind of like the percentage more. Sliders are kind of, or a bar is kind of. Uh, I don't know. I don't know if I like that much. They're kind of overplayed. Like I can read. I know numbers. All right. So I was thinking maybe I should make my own kind of what's it called? I didn't know it yesterday either. I didn't even look it up. Like make my own like one. 2. Not like duplicated, it's like 3. Yeah, you get it. I'm not very good at that, as you can see. But I can probably make it better. But I don't know what kind of a style I would like to go with then. Because I would probably make I was thinking like dark gray, like metallic, but then I was like, what fits in with that? Like, I have to have some references in that case if I'm gonna make it. Like, they have like 70s, like very soft, we're not really here, but otherwise it's very soft, like the style of writing. Do I not have? Yeah, here. I don't know if I can I show pictures of Mr. Fleshpit on. Yeah, sure. No one's watching. Uh, explore inner space. It's just a document. This was kind of what I wanted to go for, like this kind of an art style. Uh, like kind of slim and very like, yeah, very edgy, like a lot of no soft stuff. And but when you look at this, it's like very 70s fun stuff, which it's not gonna be down the mine or in the trail really for the workers. That's more for other people, guests and stuff. We're here, Purple Sage Motel. Like, it's yeah. I could have some backstory about after the mine like shut down with the horrible accident, that you are tasked with rebuilding or just clearing out everything after the accident. And because people, it's still like, didn't they get a bunch of nerve endings to put in computers and stuff like that? So you could be tasked to just clearing it out for that, not just to open another amusement park, but just to gather resources and stuff like that. And you're tasked with clearing it out. And uh, the springs. What's it called? An aphrodisiac. Yeah, it's fucking aphrodisiac. Isn't even called that. Aphrodisiac baths. Ah, aphrodisiac baths. Like where you basically get horny. I would never go in that. Like, there's even a Coke flavor for it. It's so fucked up. Like, holy shit. Uh, oh, Jesus Christ, that picture of that woman. Or isn't even a woman, I don't know. but just like bathing in it, and it's so disturbing. I don't know if you can see that, but this is a lady just sitting inside one of these pools. It's horrifying. I'm not even claustrophobic, but it's just, oh, Jesus. This is kind of like what I want, like for the game to like look like, or not look like, but feel like you're just a miner or something like that. Like these were like made to be save points. Like a bright light in a dark place. Like it's so good for a save point. But I don't know. This is also the kind of stuff that I wanted to make in just as a platform to walk on. Like this kind of stuff. Probably gonna be in a more hider like area. So it's only gonna be like, turn on the light. It's just gonna be one tile instead of like this is the um the smallest gap like the player can walk in, but just having like uh one tile and not like one or two, I guess it is. So just having a small corridor where you're walking. So it's like they've actually drilled from one place to another. And it's not going to be long, but it's just going to be a corridor. I think I'll like that. And then you could have like a small room here with a telephone to save, and then you're walking on to the next level. That could be good. Could even have. I mean, I've heard of uh, where they like Portal, where they have this walkway and not walkway, but they have this point where you're separated from everything else. So they can just take you from one level and to the next seamlessly. So they just copy your position from the old level to the new level and just load it. And so there's no cut. There's no like fade to black and then fade back in. None of that. Just you're there. So for the player, you're not even changing levels, but you are changing levels. That would be cool. Never done that though. Uh, Problem is that the screen is so wide, you would have to go very far out. Or maybe in one of these corridors, you could zoom in with a camera. That could work. Or you can just have a normal like get to this point and then like load the next level. Uh, or like Super Mario with like an overworld, like a or like the game Get the Fuck Out or GTFO, where they have like a tunnel systems, and the further down you go, the harder it becomes. Could do something like that, which it would work with the elevator. Where is it? Here, this elevator, and then you have a bunch of different rooms, and then like boss room, or like just the final level. You have to clear out this huge place. Could be cool. Don't know if I'm actually gonna add these like settlements and stuff like that. This like huge center. I don't think I'm gonna add that. I'm just gonna try to think small. So yeah, I should get back to it. I'm just talking. Let's see here. Yeah, animation. That was what I was doing. Kind of annoying that you had to set all these settings to not do compression, no filter, set the pixel size for every single image that you're importing. Kind of annoying, to be honest. Yeah. So hold on. I haven't done a spreadsheet animation for so long. I think it should be very simple. Uh, let's do an animation, create animation. Is it? I'm dyslexic. I don't know how to spell reload. Re. Is it? No, it's okay. Good. I'm right. Can I just nope? Right. Right. Just gonna start with. That's wrong. No, I should just be able to drag these in. Yeah. Then I can just delete the first one. And the last one. What? Oh, okay, it changed from this frame and stop so fast, so it looks like it bugged out. Yeah. All right. Well, that won't be a problem because you can loop it. So, yeah, that's fine. Damn, animations are so easy when it's 2D. Like, Jesus. I've done some 3D animations, and they're way just way more annoying. It's takes like hours to do a reload. Um, Wait, is this an idle? All right. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Doing nothing. Right. No, I wanted to. Yeah. This thing not loop. Yeah. I gotta make a parameter. Let's see here. I'm gonna make a boolean in script, not here. Or I'm gonna make a boolean as well here. That's just called reload. So when reload's true, it switches to the reload animation. But when it's done, I want it to switch to idle. And I think that's if I make a boolean here that is called the that and set it here, the condition. So when reload is true, it will switch from idle to reload. But here from reload to idle, I want it to be automatic. But maybe I should just make it so that when reloads false, because then it won't activate reload again. Because what I'm worried about is that reload plays the entire time. Like the entire reload animation is played. And then before I can go in and set reload to false, it already plays another reload animation. And then goes to idle. So it basically plays two reload animations, but you only reload once. Which is not something I want. So yeah, I think I have to play. Yeah, no, that will work if I'm setting reload to false, because the last frame on the reload animation is just normal. The player sets back to completely normal. So even if I fuck up the timing, though I'm pretty sure I can see if the reload animation is done or not in code. I think so, but I don't know. Then just set it. Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, I don't have code open. Camera shooting. I've started to listen to a lot of Finnish music, and I don't understand anything from it. Like I'm from Sweden. I do not speak Finnish. I have no idea what they're saying, but it's good. I'm listening to Finnish rap. And it's really good. It's just their language. It's more like a bit more rough, like a bit more violent, which makes it perfect. Like it's kind of like German rock, I believe. Like it's just such a violent language that it's just fits perfectly. Like no love song was ever written in German. Like there's I mean, like if they had a choice between like English or French or Spanish or anything like that, they would never choose German. Never. Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's see. Shooting is yeah. Then I can just play awake and then get it, so I don't have to reference it in the inspector. Uh, yep. Uh, so uh, I don't have anything for reload. I just yeah, maybe I should make that first before I start doing animation. Didn't think of that. That was done. Okay. Okay. Do I even have anything to like check if I'm pressing R for reload? I do not have that. I feel like I'm spelling that wrong. Isn't it No, that's reload. That's no. Positive button is R. Yeah. Uh, and this just remove that. All right. I have to check that I'm not already reloading, so I'm not reloading on a reload. Uh, so I wish I could do in like a prettier way. Like right now I have just an int that is saying, oh, if it's 0, then grab battery 0. Which this is, I made an array. There's just, this is the first battery and its battery life. And this is the second battery and its second battery life. So this int is just calling when it's 0, then grab the first battery. And when it's 1, grab the other one, the other battery. Or then it's using the other battery. So the problem is that I have to set that. Yeah, I have to manually check if battery gun is, I guess, equal 0. Then I have to set it to 1 instead, like that. Then I have to do another one that just ends. Yeah, it's annoying, but it works. And I wish I could do it any other way. Just come up with another way right now. So then I'm changing it. So then it's gonna grab from the other battery, but I'm also gonna need a. Yeah, that's honestly that's it. Reloads. Yeah, that's very simple actually. I thought I was gonna have to do way more. I still haven't done so the battery recharges. But now if I shoot, yeah, I got it down to 60. I reload, start shooting again, and then it's up to 100 again. And if I spin even more to like 30, 20, 15, I reload, and I pressed E instead of R. uh, that it didn't change anything. It doesn't want to change. Oh, stupid. It only runs this code once because I'm setting checking if reload is false here and turning it to true, but I'm never resetting it. So I have to do that after the animation. I'm just gonna do that. Animation. But I'm gonna make a it's just to recharge the battery that's in your backpack or on your strap, I guess. I don't know. On your chest. This is why it's kind of annoying to do this kind of system. It's okay. If battery gun equals 0, then grab The other one should be 1 and constantly. So, okay. What was it called? It's just batteries. All right. Batteries. And then I'll grab 1, battery 0. I mean, that is kind of correct. Kind of correct code. Sure, I'll run with it. This needs to be plus, and I'm gonna make another variable that is just battery gain, recharge. I don't know. Where is it? Oh, here. Yeah, just gain. Seems easier. So now it's gonna take. Let's see. This is the same method I use for the battery drain. Yeah. So it's gonna take 10 seconds for it to fully recharge and 10 seconds to completely drain. That's good. This is honestly that was easier than I thought. So just yeah, it's on 100, and now if I wait a few seconds, it should have been more, and it should be up to 100. I shoot. It's not. Fuck. Can I even? Yeah, no, it is. That was on 50. It was on 30. Jesus Christ, I print out way too many. Okay. So it should reload. Nope. Oh, I'm stupid. I never called this. It's never been called. I called it fix update. Jesus. Someone's like punching metal outside my apartment. Like corrugated metal. Sounds like thunder. Um fix. Yeah, fix update. Recharge battery. And now it should work. Just gonna drain the battery. I can even drain it fully. And just it's fully drained. The other has 200. Okay. Forgot about that. If that is less than 100. No, less or equal? No, just less. Yeah. But after this, I'm gonna do a yeah, I should do a check if any of them are above 100. So I should test that first. Oh no, I should test the code, not just rely on my fucking instincts. Oh, didn't work. Don't know why though. It's doing fixed update. Is it? Do I have to do it in update? I think I don't want to do an update. Because it's still, I'm multiplying by times the delta time. It should be exactly the same as the as shooting at the time. That's 40. It's not adding. It's never. I'm gonna remove so it doesn't uh show like okay now yeah, it's gonna do a debug the log here instead. So when it's recharging, it's gonna just see what it how much it's charged. or if it's getting charged even, which it's not. It's not getting charged. Am I doing this completely incorrect? It's an int. Why can I not check if it's one value or not another? Is it even playing this then? No. Isn't even playing. Yes, it is playing constantly. But it's not recharging because it. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm an idiot. If battery is more than. Oh, Jesus. If it's less. Of course, if it's less, then it, like. Oh. Okay. Yeah, and then it's recharging it out. Get you. And then it's recharging the other one. And now that's recharged. Yeah, okay. Now it's working. Oh, wait, I. Yeah, alright. So, yeah. I would just need the animation. Yeah. And I should change this so it's on fixed because there's no difference. There shouldn't be. So I'm gonna trust in my limited knowledge. Let's see. I need to play the animation. I already have a reference to it. No, I don't even need to play it. I just have to change the variable. So, but how do I check if it's done or not? Or am I just gonna make a? I don't want to make a delay that is just checking like a or a timer on like 1 second. I don't want to do that. It's so ugly. I I just want to check if it's done or not. Uh, oh, and yeah, okay. We I'm gonna Google how to check if it's still reloading or yeah. Yeah, I hate this. They have in Unity, like, I checked this forum. I was like, oh, just at an event on your last keyframe. Look at this Unity documentation. Press it, and it's just missing or deleted. Probably just moved to another link. Because fuck you. Like, I don't. This is the most annoying thing ever because I'm like searching for Nancy. You finally got one, and then you're just cock blocked. I'm like, fuck. But no, okay, animation event to last keyframe. This doesn't sound that hard. Uh, so on my reload, on this frame, I'm adding an event. There, add event. Maybe I'll change this thing. Function. This is supposed to. Okay. So it can set a float value, integer, or a string. I should really add or see how to even add an event because I'm kind of confused. Isn't it gonna, if another game object has shooting, the shooting script, won't it play that on that object as well? It feels weird. I'm gonna check. Uh, okay, yeah, sure, that works. It's basically just that. Like it's yeah. So this, I'm gonna make a. I need to make it a different function. It's just public void. Uh, and then I'll just set reload is false right there. And yeah, I can just, okay, I'm gonna just copy paste. I don't know if I need the brackets there or not. It doesn't say. Great. Love Unity fucking documentation. So annoying. But what? There's he has a drop down menu that is just like he can choose different functions to enable with it. Okay. It's just not supported. Okay. Methods. Stop reload. There we go. Okay. That's why it was weird. Okay. That was just me doing it incorrectly. Alright. Then it should work. Except I can I can't even reload. I was gonna say I can shoot and reload at the same time, but no, I can't even reload again. Ah, yeah. Oh, we got to set that to. There we go. So we just stuck on that animation. So that looks so good. That looks so good. What the fuck? Problem is I can shoot and reload at the same time. Yeah, not good. I'm just gonna make that's okay. We're gonna have to close some stuff here. Recharge that. Now, okay. I always do this incorrectly. I should make these into different functions. Just here, this is just the firing one, and this is the reload one. So I'm just gonna make this into a function. I mean, I can. I thought I can make that into a function like that. No, okay, apparently not. Gone. Fire or why I can't spell. I got fat fingers. I can't do that shit. So way easier. Wait, I don't need, and I totally forgot what I was doing. Yeah, it was in the shoot script. I need to check if I'm reloading or not. So I cannot start shooting when I'm firing. But I also need to stop firing. I cannot start or like, yeah. Yeah, I got fat fingers. All right, not my fault. I if re, oh, reload. All right, equal. Oh, I have one that is firing. Okay. So this is start firing. This is just draining battery. So draining battery. Firing, and this is what? What component is called laser? I I wrote that code yesterday. I don't know what it means. uh, so it grabs laser clone, which is the the game object that spawns when you fire, and then it gets the component laser, which that's the script, and then it calls destroy. All right. Uh, I I don't understand my own code. Like this should not work. Uh, because I'm checking if this reference to laser clone is valid or not. And if it's not valid, basically saying that this reference is referencing nothing, then check for oh no, it's not null. Okay, so if this thing is valid, if there's actually a laser clone, if I'm firing, and then I'm checking for if you start firing with gun. Oh, I'm tired. So yeah, no, I'm gonna make this another function. Laser. Oh, laser. Let's call that here instead. And then my reload check. So if I'm starting to reload, then I should call destroy laser. So I'm basically I basically stop firing and set. Yeah, it's already doing that. Yeah. And it's not working. Animation looks good though. But that's a bit I mean, I made it, so I'm gonna think it looks good. But yeah, no. I don't think everything I do is good. That's yeah, no. But did it not, why didn't it destroy the laser? I I don't know. I have no idea. Why didn't it stop firing? Okay, I can't fire when I'm reloading. But oh shit. I do this check, which it shouldn't be doing. I mean, it should be doing it, but not here. Uh, but I did do. Okay. I'm gonna remove that and do the same thing if I'm firing. And then I'm gonna this I'm gonna have in the store laser, but it's just gonna be this. So uh no, I'm gonna have this in it and remove this, put that there. So, yeah. So now it won't actually check that in destroy laser. It would just check the necessary information here, if laser clone is exists or not, and it will check the other stuff in here. Training battery. Yeah. That seems good. Yeah. Great. That looks awesome. Wow. And I think it's a good speed. To have a 1 second reload. It doesn't look like it looks kind of realistic. Maybe if I add another frame that is like down, like with the like getting another battery, something like that, make it a bit longer, like getting another battery. But otherwise, that's really good. I'm gonna see if I turn off the lights. 0, 4. Yeah, you can still see it. Yeah, that's awesome. No, that that does look awesome. Yeah, no, that's not like it. What should I say? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, you can. I'm just getting annoyed because you can see the tiling here. Doesn't look that great, but actually you can see the tiling right here as well. Here, like you can see the squares, but I don't. It doesn't bother me that much, honestly. And when you turn on light, it will be less noticeable. So, yeah. Uh, Anything else I need to do right now? I honestly don't think so. Well, nothing that I like have to do, but yeah, it's displaying battery life to the player. That's it. All right. All right. Fuck. I hate you making UI. It's not good. It's not fun. Just kind of horrible. Scale is increasing constant physical sign. Scale its screen size. Let's see, what is the resolution I have? Yeah, there. That's wrong. 70, not 80. And the annoying part is when I'm adding like text message pro, yes, import. So I have to set the location of it. I'm thinking down to the right. No, I'm gonna create an empty that is the parent to those two, so I can scale it and do whatever I want with it then. So battery battery text, not text, parent. Yeah. Maybe I should make an animation for the canvas as well. I just got the idea. Maybe I should have hold on. Instead of just text, I'm gonna so I'm gonna have just this is one battery and it's another one. So this thing is the one actually being used in the gun. This in the recharge thing. So I can place it like in this thing. Maybe some. That's not what I. No, I should grab this thing. So it's getting placed within this thing that is like the recharge thing. And then we'll just have a bar on top of that. And actually have some green. No. That I'll make it green. Like here. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now this is fully charged. So the animation would be pretty much just this thing moving up to become this thing, and it moving back, and then it would become or not, if it's not charged, then it's that. So you would have okay. Let's see here. So now this thing is fully charged. This thing is not. So you just have it getting moved there, and it getting moved in there. And then another one that is going up there, it's going down there. So you have oh, it's not on the same spot. Not even close. Where is it? There it is. So it's just getting cycled like that. But I would do these as just sprites and then move them around in Unity. So not have a so you can have like a nice like actual animation, not pixel animated. Well, maybe not. The more I actually saw it, the more I disliked it. So probably not. But just having text that says like, this battery is this much, this battery is this much, is like, which one am I using and which one is in my bag? That's why I wanted to have, like, oh, this one get changed to this one, then this one is not charging. This thing is going out and gone. Then this thing's going back in the charger port. Like, that's more of what I wanted. Instead of having red, you should probably have green here. I actually want to do it that way. And I said that I would not want to have a slider. Then I'm going back to a slider. Because this is not going to be pixel art, this bar in the middle. It's not going to be pixel art. I'm probably gonna make it be something more like this. Just completely dark. And then it's gonna charge up. But I'm gonna make another project for it. Just gonna copy these colors over. Here, it is this wide. It's 1x3. And now I want to preserve that. So when it's 32, I should divide that by 3 for the width of it. Calculator. 32 divided by 3 is 10.66666. Okay, that's not helping. It's gonna be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's gonna be something like that. Did I count that correctly? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. Problem is now that it's 11. That's not really what I wanted. I want an even number. Yeah, probably looks better if it's even, because then it's actually even here. Yeah. Oh no, I need the edges of it. So uh, just adding a palette so I don't have to just copy this in more than I need to. Don't want to do it again. And then the green. Just that. And yeah, no, that should be the correct kind of green. These are just palettes that I created my own. Like I have not gotten this from the actual image. I just looked at this like I just tried to look for the specific colors, and it felt more like these kind of colors. Maybe just on the rifle, this kind of red, but it should be fine. I do want the green though. Wonder. I should add one more here. That and just like that. Yeah. I'm thinking, how the fuck do I do this? I'm just yeah. And I rotate it so I can just make like this. I think it's better. I do not know what I'm doing, by the way. No idea. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I think that's good. I don't know though. Maybe I'm gonna get the this thing, my acid time map. I'm gonna steal this green. Then it's actually like, yeah, I don't know. I think it's gonna be better. And this green got a nice glow. So it's gonna make the UI glow a little bit. Make it like it stick out a little bit more, so you can actually see it. So uh oh, Jesus Christ. getting tired. This is not good. Uh, I think this was the best. But I already have a black. I can use that. So trying to figure out what kind of black I actually wanted, but I didn't think that I already have one. I know it's not canon that it's actually a bar right here that shows if it's full or not. But oh yeah, no, it's just gonna be a bar, so I don't need this. No, I do need it, but this entire thing is supposed to be another image, another sprite. That and the background is gonna be another sprite as well. So this is just gonna that's gonna go. And then just gonna add some more cover behind it. This is gonna get removed. So this is gonna be in the back, and then a slider, then this, and then Oh no, this is gonna be furthest in the back. Yeah. Then this, then this, then this. I'm just thinking in Unity how I'm gonna layer it, because I'm gonna move the entire battery, which is this, plus a slider. So I should probably add some more details to it though. Uh, yeah, that's good. I'm trying to make it more like the one in the picture, but I know I'm wrong. I know I'm wrong. I can put them side to side. Uh, there's supposed to be these whatever you call them. I don't know, like ridges or like humps or anything or something. I just added some of them here. Very simple. I also added this little darker section, just this for a soft edge, and I know it's wrong because these things are supposed to be here, but I want a big slider here, so it's gonna have to be wrong, but yeah. I don't think anyone's gonna be mad about that. Like, no one's gonna be that picky. Right. All right. Then I'm just gonna remove that, and I need to UI. I think it's just image. Yeah. Let's see here. This is so annoying because this is supposed to be. I wish they just use normal image layering, but now it's hierarchy. Hierarchy. Like it's based on hierarchy. So the thing that is furthest up here is gonna be rendered in front of the other things below it. So right now, the back is going to be rendered instead of the front, which is weird. I don't like that. Maybe instead of scaling the parent, I should just scale the children. 200. Yeah, that's a bit big. And that's pretty much good. And so I'm gonna make two different objects, battery 1 and battery 2. But it's rendered below. Oh, wow. Really? Okay, it's the reverse of what I said. The lower things are gonna be rendered above the higher things in the hierarchy. So right now, the charger, which which is the gray green thing, is rendered beneath everything else because it's the highest in the hierarchy. I didn't think it was like that, but all right. That's weird. I just want him to get back. Yeah. So that's how it's gonna look in game. And then I want it to, when it's reloading, this mag goes out, or this battery goes out right here and gets placed here, while the other one just goes straight up. So it's cycling over and over. That's probably what I want. But that's gonna be annoying. Because I'm gonna have to have no, it's not gonna be that annoying, honestly. I'm just bitching. Okay. But first, I'm gonna make a slider. So, or one slider for each battery. I'm just gonna make an image. So it's getting hidden behind that. But I'm also gonna need another object that is just slider. Put that thing there. And oh, I thought, oh, I placed the wrong thing in it. But this is that thing, yeah. I'm gonna set it to 1. Then I'm gonna scale this image to the correct width. So up there, this thing, and image right out there. So I mean, I could make it even easier for me. It's kind of unnecessarily easy, honestly. Yeah, no, I probably won't do that. No, I can just divide it. Yeah, no, it's so unnecessary. Uh, but this thing is white. I don't want it to be white. I want it to be green. I'm just gonna steal this green. Bang. Doesn't look that great. I can change it if I want to. I'm gonna make the battery into a prefab, so I'm not gonna have. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna have that yet. So yeah, I'm gonna make a script. Lie. I'm just gonna copy paste code because why not? I already wrote it here, so I'm just gonna find the player. But I don't want here movement. I want it in, yes, and I don't want that. I want to be the actual script. So then I have a reference to shooting. So I can just. This is easy. Okay. I'm just gonna get a reference to the slider. And just set the level scale, but I want the scale on the, what axis is it? X-axis. I can't set it like that. I have to do a plus, then do 3, close it, and then everything to that, except this one that is shooting dot Batteries. Maybe I should just do... Yeah, I'm gonna have one code for... Because I still have to get the reference, so I'm just gonna get the slider 2. And then this is 0. That's 1. Slider 2. Yeah. And I'll place in battery canvas. What the fuck? Okay. Oh, see, this is... Yeah. All right. Yeah, the charger is rendered last. All right. So yeah, everything's done. Just gonna attach the script and get the sliders. This is slider 2. This is slider 1. Let's see if it... I didn't expect that. That I thought X was this one. Yeah. Can I... Okay. Okay. I thought I had to do a plus equal. But no, of course it's just equals. When I set the it still doesn't work. I guess the scale is set to 100. Yeah. I didn't think that. Here, I'm setting the shooting batteries here, guys. So this is basically what their charge is, and they were 100, so this set the scale to 100. I forgot to divide by 100 because I wanted to be when the battery is full, then the scale of the slider should be 1. And when it's empty, it should be 0. So I have to divide by 100. Because when the battery life is full, then it's 100. Empty, 0. So that should just fix it. Yeah. Yeah, that works. And when I reload, it charges up. Oh, dude, that's cool. That is very cool. God damn, like I love being able to do programming and not have to Google every single thing. I just know how to do stuff now. After a few years, I finally learned it. It's an amazing feeling. Jesus. Fuck. Okay, animation. Should I do that in the battery UI then? Probably. Yeah. So, or should I? Because it's based on object, so no, I have to make it for every single object. So, if I take this battery 1, make an animation for it. That is, but battery charge. So it's gonna go to the charge port. To charge. Oh, yeah. Can't spell. To charge port. So just position. It just keeps the position, and the end, I wanted to have the position. No, record, then just Y position that. So it just does that right now. But I want in the middle of it. I want. Yeah, all right. Try it there. Ooh, yeah, I'm not recording. Go. Why? Oh, I'm not setting the X location there. Fine. I want it to be more of a smoother angle. So maybe at 15. Just move it out there. that should be, yeah. I'm gonna remove that. So add here on this frame, I want it to be already down here. I already want it to be on 30. Yeah, that's good for now. So now I can I'm just thinking how I'm gonna do the coding and a bit of the animator control stuff. I'm gonna have two separate controllers, one for battery, I guess battery 0, and one for battery 1. And they're gonna play. They're gonna have two idle animations each, where it's gonna be the same animation, but they're gonna have them both of them. One is just gonna be an idle in the recharger, and one is gonna be an idle in the air above it. Like that's the one being used. And then they're gonna have two, one that I just made that is getting into the recharge port, and the other one that is just getting out of the recharge port. And then they're just gonna rotate like that over and over again, and just yeah. So a new one that is battery. I cannot spell battery. I don't know how many times I've done it. Oh, so I guess I don't know. And now I'm gonna do the port here, and yeah, we're gonna do the reverse. It's gonna go from recharge and uh, all right. Position 30. On a charge port. And there we go. So there's not much I can do here. One thing I can do is add some like resistance on getting out. So it's like getting pulled very fast, like nothing in the beginning, and then here start moving, and then it's very fast. It's not even reacting. That's not good. The easing on that is so bad. How do I change that? Curves. Okay. I okay. Um that's kind of more what I want. Okay, this is wow. Fuck. I'm just gonna change the curves on this one instead. No idea what this blue one is. It was near before. Still don't know what's going on. It's going just straight up going there, and then it does some random shit. I'm really trying here. I don't know what I'm doing. What happened? Uh, all right. Okay, I'm tired. I didn't even realize I was recording.
I'm gonna be honest. I
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. That's good. I have no idea what I'm doing. That's not good. Yeah, that. I don't know. I'm just gonna make a new that is word. Another one that is not word. Why did I grab that one? It's just the why. I told you guys I'm tired. I Jesus. All right, great. Uh,
Whew.
God, I'm tired. All right. So this battery is the one that is uh not important. So then I'm just gonna make a exit. Let's see here. Not port. Then port. Not from port. Into port. All right. So I need a Boolean that is 2 port. I can't spell port. I don't know why. 2 port and just gonna make one that is port. And if not port, so if port is true, if it gets set to true, then it would run this animation and then do this, and then it will make another transition if port is false, like that. And then I'll just do that. And that's exit time now.